Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to draw outline by using grid, and today I will draw money heist. Here is the reference picture. Firstly, select a clear reference photo and observe the portions. I have done 3 by 3 grid boxes, and I think grid is the easiest method to draw outlines. You have to draw each box carefully, and it is easier than freehand outline method. You can use Draw Easy application to make a reference photo. Observe the reference photo first and then match your drawing with reference photo. You have to draw by counting boxes, and outline is the most important part in the drawing. You have to draw outline carefully because only outline can make your drawing realistic. If you were best in shading and highlights but you are not good at outline, so people can't understand who is this. You have to draw outline by counting grids. If you do any mistake, and it is easy to recover. And don't go to the deep of the reference picture. Many beginners focus on the highlights, and that's why their picture doesn't match with reference photo. As you can see, I have done a mistake on counting of grid, and if you have any questions related with drawing, you can ask me. I will try to answer your questions. And now I'm drawing here, and some beginners draw like that. And I hope you will like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.